Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. I'm starting this new series on Raspberry Pi 3, and in this series I'm gonna cover from basics to pro. I will take it step by step. We will first have a look at some basic tutorials where we will interface our Raspberry Pi 3 with different sensors, actuators and motors like DC, servo, stepper. And then in our later tutorials, in the second part, we will have a look at how to upload these sensors values on some web server. In simple words, we will have some cloud computing or web server communication with our embedded project. So I hope you are gonna like this series. In today's tutorial, we are gonna have a look at how to install Raspbian on SD card for Raspberry Pi 3. Raspberry Pi is like a mini computer and the SD card acts as a hard drive for it. As we all know, we have to install some operating system like Windows or Ubuntu etc. on our computers. Similarly, we have to install some operating system on our mini computer Raspberry Pi 3. And this operating system of Raspberry Pi 3 is called Raspbian. So let's get started with how to install Raspbian on SD card for Raspberry Pi 3. The link of this tutorial is given in the description of this YouTube video, and when you click on that link you will come to this page on our blog, and I have given all the links for required software to install Raspbian on the SD card. First of all, you need to download this SD card formatter, and when you click on this link you will come here on their official website sdcard.org. I have already installed it, so I'm gonna open it here, SD card formatter. No, I don't want to update, so click no. And that's my SD card drive F, and I'm gonna format it again, yes, and it has formatted my SD card completely. Okay, close. Now the second thing you need to download is our Raspbian operating system, and I have given the link here, Raspbian Stretch with Desktop. Open it in new tab, and I have given the link of their official website raspberrypi.org, and I would recommend you to download this Raspbian Stretch with Desktop. You can download the zip or the torrent, and I have already installed it. And the next thing you need to download is Win32 Disk Imager. It's a software which is used to create an image of our Raspbian operating system on our SD card. I have already installed it, so I'm gonna open Win32 Disk Imager here. Yes. So now I need to I'm gonna click it close. Here I need to browse to my folder where I have downloaded and extracted my Raspbian operating system. Downloads, compressed, and here's my Raspbian stretch.img, and here I have selected in the device section drive F, which is the drive for my SD card, and I'm gonna click on write here. Click on yes. So now it's gonna write my Raspbian image, my operating system image on the SD card. Once it's successfully uploaded on my SD card, then I will remove my SD card and will plug it in my Raspberry Pi 3 module, and it will be ready to start, and we will see it in our next tutorial. In the next tutorial I will show you how to interface 7-inch LCD, TFT LCD, keyboard, mouse and SD card with our Raspberry Pi 3, and we will run our Raspberry Pi 3 for the first time. And our Raspbian operating system has successfully installed or written on our SD card. Thanks for watching. Take care.